Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Mailchimp for LinkedIn lead funnels, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Mailchimp website at mailchimp.com. Click on the sign up button located in the top right corner. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password for your account and confirm it. Fill in your name and click on the Get Started button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Mailchimp. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Mailchimp website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Enter your business information, including your website URL if you have one. Select your business type from the drop-down menu. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. You may be asked to choose a plan that fits your needs. Select a plan that works for you and click Continue. Next, you will be directed to the dashboard. Look for the Audience tab on the left-hand side. Click on Create Audience to set up your contacts. Fill in the audience name, default from name, and email address. Set your audience visibility preferences as needed. Click Save to create your audience. Now, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left side. Click on Create Campaign in the upper right corner. Select the type of campaign you want to set up. For LinkedIn lead funnels, choose Landing Page. Choose your audience for the landing page. Configure your landing page settings, including the title and description. Customize the design to match your branding using Mailchimp's drag-and-drop builder. Add forms or calls to action to capture leads effectively. Once satisfied with the design, click Save and Continue. Review your settings and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, click Publish to make your landing page live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.